Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel, Talk to Julia. Today's lesson we will talk about on how to use ask in a sentence correctly. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ask is one of the most common English verbs, but there are a number of details that we need to remember on how to use it correctly. Today, I'm going to share 4 ways on how to use it. Let's go. First, use ask someone for plus object. Again, use ask someone for plus the object. For example, I asked my mom for a new cell phone. I asked my mom for a new cell phone. Okay, we can also use ask for when the thing we wanted to ask is not a physical object. For example, I asked Miss Cat for advice. Advice is not a physical object, okay? I asked Miss Cat for advice. Another example, let's ask the hotel staff for the information. Let's ask the hotel staff for information. Okay, information is not a physical object. All right, next, use ask someone about topic. Use ask someone about the topic. For example, I asked Louvain about the news. I asked Louvain about the news. Another example, I asked Carol about his trip to Vietnam. I asked Carol about his trip to Vietnam. Third, ask someone plus question, or let's just say the question word, okay? Ask someone plus question. For example, I asked Ms. Liza where she had bought her laptop. Again, I asked Ms. Liza where she had bought her laptop. So it is always followed by question words like who, when, where, why, how, and so on. We can also use ask if, especially if we're talking about a yes or a no. For example, I ask Prince if he likes me. One more time. I ask Prince if he likes me. Number 4, use ask someone to plus verb. Use this structure when you want a person to do something. For example, I ask my friend to buy pizza. I ask my friend to buy pizza. Another example, my mom asked me to clean my room. My mom asked me to clean my room. Easy, isn't it? If you find this video interesting, why don't you comment down below and don't forget to smash the notification bell now. Thank you so much for watching. Sampai jumpa. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.